And then the whole world can just take a look at this one. Turn around. Look at the uniform. Look at what she's wearing to school. It is not nice or decent at all. She's looking so unkempt. The uniform is tattered. But we cannot allow them to continue like this. This alone will even make her lose her confidence at the cost of study. She cannot really measure up with her mates. So that's the essence of us coming here to see how we can build back their confidence by issuing them or replacing their tattered uniforms. So that can compete favorably with our mates in the class. There are so many of them, and she is one of those that we are about to issue uniform. So take this, go and dress properly and come back.
Thanks. Go and come back.
Susan, like I mentioned earlier, he's also one of those that have a tattered uniform. You can also look at these ones. Look at these ones. I want to use this medium as everyone, particularly people watching us online and everywhere. Look at this one, look at the uniform. Please pay attention to the students around us, pay attention to the school around wherever you are, and identify these kind of people. And let's replace their uniform and make them feel more confident to study and then become a better person in society tomorrow. This is the essence of the whole thing that we're doing at the moment. So please, let's check around the students and see what we can do for them. There are so many of them that are in need. And if you don't go this route, you may not be able to meet them and attend to their needs. You may not even know that some persons have needs, except you go to check around and then identify those who actually deserve this kind of help, and you can now help them. Take this uniform and go and dress properly.
Go and dress and come back.
Okay, thank you very much, Susan, once again. When we came initially to identify those who have a very terrible uniform, tattered uniform, we did not see this one. It could be that he's not present at school that same day, but today, look at him. Just look at him. Look at what he's wearing. It's not good at all. So we are going to make provision for a new uniform for him. We'll replace it and then see how he can look like his mates. He needs to look smart like any other student. This is not good at all. And that is why we are also saying this, that people need to go around and pass what they have. You may not necessarily have to go to their school. You see them living around you. As they are leaving for school in the morning, you can actually look at this one and say, oh, this is not nice at all. We need to help this one and all that. So there is a need for us to do all this if we must have a better place for all of this. Okay, look at another one here. And then we are giving him sandals at the moment while we make provision for his
uniform.
Within the shortest time. This one too has a terrible uniform. The uniform is very bad. You can look at him. The uniform is very bad. He doesn't have a school sandal. We have a school sandal at the moment to present to him, but we also make a provision for his school uniform so that he can also look neat and look decent like every other student around. So take sandals, go and dress well. Please take his data. This one, the uniform is a bit okay, not that it's really okay. This one also deserves uniform. Just look at what she's wearing to school. This what they are wearing alone among their peers, they will demoralize. This will demoralize them. We have made provision for the spare sandal that we have because we are going to issue her one at the moment, while we also make provision for her uniform so that she can look decent like every other student in this school. So take this sandal, dress with the sandal while we make provision for her uniform.